Welcome folks, how you going? Hope you're doing well. Yes, real quick intro today as the oval's about to be swamped by footy players. This is the Rekon 4. It's the middle quad to the Rekon 3 and 5. And if you haven't seen my reviews of those two, check them out up there on the screen. This thing pumps out 800 milliwatts, medium long range quad, bi-blade props. All the text and specs will be below. And like I said, full review of what this is all about and the goodies that it has inside is in my previous video of this Rekon 4. Should be pretty good flyer. I have got an 850 4S on the roof at the moment. You can put something much bigger on there of course, but I thought I'm just going to have a quick fly around, see how that 800 milliwatt VTX goes out here today, and then after that I'll put some extra weight on the roof. It's enough chit chat, thanks for stopping by. Let's go have a fly at this little cracker and we'll drop by for some line of sight at the end. Let's go.
Telemetry recovered. GPS fix.
So I've previously just done a GPS warm-up so we can hear the GPS has reached the minimum amount of satellites already. If you want to know how you get this lure on your Radio Master, stay tuned. I'll be doing a video specific to that very soon. So that's really cool to have, and also gives you your coordinates for when and if you lose it somewhere, so it's really handy. Okay, let's go. Make sure everything's recording. I do enjoy the GPS in the Rekon series. They do hook up fairly quickly. Okie doke, let's have a quick fly around. TBS crossfire like I mentioned folks, and I actually think I've still got this on 25 milliwatts, so sorry. I shall just check that and change it. And 800, set, confirm, back, sorry about that. Okay, we are now on 800 milliwatts of VTX. GPS is working nicely. I'm not too worried about saving power here guys, so I will have a nice little fly around. I have recently flown the Rekon 5, as I've just mentioned. That flies really nicely, so I expect this is going to be very similar to that, which I can say straight away it is. A little bit nippier, of course it's a bit smaller. It does sport some smaller motors, however I can't help it. I'm just going to go for a bit of a speed blast down here. I'm just going to drain our battery real fast. I do enjoy the Rekon series. I've got a few Rekons now and I think they're a terrific feature packed little quad guys. If you're looking at getting into the market and grabbing one of these, then I highly recommend the Rekon unit. Lots and lots of fun. Let's just go for a little cheeky long ranger, see how we go. 55 kilometers an hour, 100 meters from home. The Rekon 5 I've had up to quite easily 2.5 kilometers away, so that was really good. There is a bit of Wi-Fi interference where I am, so I'm not expecting to go too far today. I'm pretty happy with cruising up here around 400-500 meters. As I said, there's a bit of rubbish in the way, so it's not going to do too well here. And I am being super unconservative about that with my power supply as well. No, it's not a freestyle unit, but you certainly can have a couple of little tricks and rolls if you really want to. It's not really meant for it though, but as I said, it will do them without too much hassle. It's going to suck the life out of the 854S fairly quickly, I think, folks. Let's do a bit of a flyby here. I will of course do some 18650 lie-on tests. They'll be coming up soon. However, I've only just got this. This is its maiden flight, and yeah, it's flying really nicely as I thought it would. All the Rekon series do fly well. You can see there's a bit of interference there. Like I said, I am around some Wi-Fi towers here, and that does wreak havoc with these 5.8 receivers. Fairly low on power now. Flight time, yeah, 4 minutes. I thought I would only get about 5 to 6 minutes of this because I've been pretty aggressive with the sticks. What do you think, folks? Rekon 4, nice VTX camera. I think we're good for a couple of kilometres here for range. It's not going to work here today where we are. Hopefully we've got just enough power, I think we have, to do a little bit of line of sight and have a quick chat. I thought this would fly really nicely, and it does. I think it's going to cope with the larger LiPo or Lion that I'm going to put on it, so that's going to be really good. What do you think, guys? Drop me a comment. You like it? What do you prefer, the Rekon 4 or the Rekon 5? I suppose it all depends on what you want to do with it. Thought this would be a really good little flyer.